Hello and welcome back. I'm Ashley Oswald, a dietitian specializing in gut health and founder of Oswald Digestive Clinic, where we help people who are struggling with bothersome gut issues like gas, bloating, diarrhea, and or constipation improve and often eliminate that so that you and they can get back to just living a life with more ease and freedom. So today I'm excited to share with you some survey results. It was a survey that the results came in 2018, but it's only 2020 now. And it was big. It was on 71,000 Americans, just surveying to see how common some of these gut issues are. So stay tuned because I'm going to share the results with you today. But before we begin, please subscribe and like this video and hit the little bell next to the subscription button. All that's going to help these videos move up in organic search to support my channel so that I can keep making these videos for you. So now let's just dive right in. As mentioned, these results were posted in 2018 and it was a United States survey on 71,000 Americans. For this survey, they used an app called My GI Health and asked participants, these 71,000 plus individuals, to share what symptoms they were having over the past week. So these results are on 71,000 people over the past week. Okay, so out of all those individuals, guess what percentage had at least one bothersome gut symptom? 61%. So more than half of Americans are struggling with a gut symptom, and the most common one was acid reflux, or GERD is an acronym that's often used for that. Now I just want to pull up my computer so I can share with you the exact stats. So for the heartburn reflex, that was 30.9%. Abdominal pain, that was 24.8% of individuals. Bloating was 20.6%. Diarrhea, 20.2%. And constipation, 19.7%. Less common symptoms were nausea, vomiting at 9.5%, dysphagia, difficulty swallowing, that's what that means, is 5.8%, and then bowel incontinence, so that's like rectal leakage, for example, not being able to hold the stool in, is 4.8%. So to conclude, I wanted just to share this information with you because you're not alone. I mean, more than half of Americans are struggling with some sort of a symptom, and honestly, a lot of these things can be improved and eliminated using a functional nutrition approach, and that's why I started my clinic, Oswald Digestive Clinics. I just saw so much opportunity for being able to help people in a better way than what the medical system is able to provide right now. And if you have been struggling and have gone through the conventional system, you know and you've experienced that, yeah, you might get some help with managing symptoms, but it's not really a root cause approach. Doctors don't get the time that they really need with patients, with clients, and then also you and other people struggling with these gut issues often aren't referred to a knowledgeable dietitian specializing in gut health. So also share with you that I do have a download that talks about 5 ways to improve gut health and eliminate food intolerances for good. Links in this description. That's one way to help get you started learning more. And if you're just kind of sick of dealing with these symptoms, you want to connect with my clinic and see how we might be able to help you, whether it's a good fit, then definitely book a 15-minute meet and greet call with us below as well. Link in the description. I hope you found this interesting. Again, to review, heartburn or reflux is the most common gut symptom that people had in the week prior to taking this survey, and it was 71,000 people surveyed. So about 1/3, a little less than 1/3, 30% of people are struggling with that top symptom. Hope this was interesting, and I look forward to talking to you on our future videos.